hey, I'm concerned about my privacy. Maybe I'll just download one of these free VPNs to protect me. Not so much. I'm Woody Huffines. I'm the Nerds to Go in McKinney and Frisco, Texas, and this is Tech for the Untechnical. We've talked about this before, but this is a really important one right now. In the news this week, we had 21 million VPN users that had their private data leaked through a VPN connection. Now, let's first talk about what a VPN is. A VPN is a virtual private network, and it goes between your phone or your computer or your home, your whatever internet resource you're using, and creates an encrypted tunnel from your location to the endpoint to the VPN server. So, for example, when I connect to a VPN, I can make it look like that I'm sitting in Miami, Florida, or Dallas, Texas, or Seattle, Washington, or Hong Kong, or, well, wherever. And that way, people can't see where I'm connecting from. They can't see my IP address. They don't know where I'm located. And it encrypts all of the traffic that goes from my computer to that endpoint. Now, it has to be unencrypted after that, because if it's encrypted all the way through, if you send it out encrypted, then it doesn't know to go to nerdstogo.com, because nerdstogo.com can't de-encrypt it. But if you're worried about getting a connection to the Nerds to Go servers, and you're worried about the Nerds to Go people looking to see where you're connecting from and the information that you're putting out there, you can use a VPN. VPN is a great security mechanism. I use a VPN with almost every connection that I make. VPN is a good thing. The problem is these 21 million users had their data exposed because they were using free VPNs. Now think about it. The VPN has to have an encryption algorithm. They have to develop an application to put on your phone, or an application to put on your computer. They have to develop that. They have to maintain that. Then they have to have servers that move that information around and that are endpoints to the VPN network. And if it's a strong VPN, those servers have to be all over the country so you can vary where you're coming from. It's not an inexpensive architecture. So, how do people offer free VPNs? We've talked about this before. On the internet, if the resource you're using is free, you are the product. Whether it's Google or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or Slack, or if it's a free resource, the way they're making their money is they're selling information about you or information that pertains directly to you. In this case, there were a number of VPN applications that were sitting out there in the Google store in this case, that people were logging in and saying, hey, I'm going to protect my privacy. I'm going to get this free VPN. Guess what? That VPN application was logging their data and looking at other information on their phone. I mean, it's just a bad deal. So remember, a VPN is a good thing. A free VPN means that you are going to be the product, and they're going to have to get information about how you use it, where you use it, and maybe even go deeper to who you are, where you live, what kind of phone you have, what kind of applications are installed on your phone, if you have your phone number out there, and a lot of things. Bottom line, VPN, good thing. Free VPN, not so much. I'm Woody Huffines. I'm the Nerds to Go in McKinney and Frisco, Texas. This is Tech for the Untechnical. If you find this helpful, hit the subscribe button below, mash the notification bell, make a comment, share it with your friends, and don't download a free VPN.